got to wrap my head around this shit. All right, sweet. So we're gonna go do that. All right, I've got the broadcast on YouTube. All right, we're live on TikTok as well. Let's do this. Let's do it. Hey.
Yeah, go.
All right, sweet. What I was looking at, man, I don't know what area you had off Sam, but I had this, obviously had this area there set up, but we're going to have to wait now to see how this candle closes. But if it doesn't break this level in the next 8 minutes, if it doesn't keep pushing past there, then we'll look at going there. The sell again, we're going to have, it's a bit of a hard one again on the sell because we can go really, really aggressive on that, really tight, or we can go to this level down here. Now the orb doesn't show. Oh, there you go. It's going there. So it's showing the sell position nice and tight. So I might use the orb this morning just for extra confluence. So if the orb's saying to go there, I might go off that area there. We're just getting an echo. Yeah, either that area there or the one below it. But we'll see what this candle does. If this candle here keeps pushing up, then we'll have to be looking at our next zone. We might have to go something further back, which I really don't like doing. I like to go somewhere nice and close. We'll see how this candle closes, man, and then we will start setting everything up. Check that.
I don't mind that aggressive one where the orb set for the sell.
Yeah, I don't mind it either. I kind of like that. I kind of like that zone. We'll see how this candle closes, and then we've got 7 more minutes. We've got a minute to that candle closes. But I reckon the sell, we'll be looking at something like this for the sell. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, man. I'm pretty happy with that. Unless the next candle closes, opens bearish and pushes down, I reckon that's a pretty decent zone to go off for the sell.
Yep.
Yeah. Dog, mate, come here. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll look at that, the sell, and then, yeah, it depends how this candle closes. If we do push up to this level here, then we may look at taking a buy from there. We may look at taking a buy from that level there.
Yeah.
Something like that.
So, next candle, but I know what you mean. Like, you don't want to go off something that was yesterday.
Yeah, man. I don't like doing that. I like to go at something like that. It's like if this keeps pushing up, and if the next candle goes bearish, it closes, we'll go from the top of that zone. We'll go from the top of that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But we'll just see. We're just gonna have to see what happens with this next candle. Let's see what happens. Yeah. It's yesterday was crazy, man. Crazy. That, like I said, that hasn't happened in such a long time. I don't even know what it feels like. I didn't know how to feel about that, you know what I mean? I was like, whoa, what the fuck?
Hang on a minute, this is normal.
Yeah, this isn't normal. Like my confidence level when that tapped us into there and retraced, I'm like, oh sweet as, man. We'll make it up on here. It's gonna be either a break even day or a 1% profit, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah, when that happened, I was like, oh shit, okay. That's unusual. But I guess that's a good thing. That's a good thing, man. If you take 2 losses in a day and that's unusual, then you got a good system.
Yeah, correct.
You know? So yeah, bro. So again, we'll see how we go today. If it does take another loss today, then we'll minimize our risk tomorrow. We'll come back in tomorrow and just minimize the risk a little bit till we start getting a bit more momentum. There's not much, doesn't seem like there's much volume in the market. I don't know if you've seen the Sydney Open, the daily open this morning.
Didn't do much.
Nah, and then there was this crazy fake out here. I don't know what happened there. So something happened there. There might have been a news event or something earlier on. I'm sure that would have wiped a few people out if they were trading it. So we'll just see, man. We'll just see what happens. What do we got? 3 minutes. Okay. Doesn't look like it's going to push too hard. So I am going to go like this. If we do cross that level in the next, if we do cross above here, I'm going to go very aggressive this morning. If we do cross above this on this candle, then so be it, man. It's 3 minutes. It's not really moving too fast. So that is going to be the setup, I think. That's what I'm going with.
Put that sell position in now.
Yeah, that's it. Let's fucking go. That's what we're looking at. Come on. 1 second. Yeah, no. I've got 2 minutes. Hopefully this doesn't close. I might just keep an eye on this sell position for a sec. Sam?
Yeah.
Might wait for that. I don't want to be entering that on this candle. So if we do break below, if we do break into that zone now, we may have to go just a little bit lower, which it looks like it wants to do. Yeah, it's hard. It's a bit tricky when it's like this, when it wants to move before the open. Yeah, we're gonna have to. I'm gonna move that, dude.
Yeah, I'll do the same.
Yeah, I'm gonna move that. We don't want to be entering before the open. Something like that, maybe. See what the orb's doing. Yeah, the orb's still going off that. Either that level there or the one above it. Maybe go something like that. Potentially. Yeah.
Actually.
So we've got 1 minute. If this, yeah, maybe chuck the buy in. Put that buy in. Hold up on the sell, man, just to see. It's just until this candle works out what it's doing. Because we could even potentially go aggressive off the bottom of that candle, but we'll just wait.
Yeah.
We'll just wait and see what it wants to do. Yeah, it's always a bit hard when the candle wants to move so much before the open.
Yeah.
Sweet. Look, I'm hoping we do get a buy today. I hope we do get a push up. There's a lot of liquidity there to grab, so we should at least, if we do get a push up, we may get some slight reactions of these zones here, but we should hopefully at least get to a TP3, TP4. If we break that level there, then I would hope for a TP5, but we'll see how we go. 5 seconds for the open. I think I'll leave the sell like that, I reckon.
Yeah, I'll do that too, yeah.
Yeah. We can go the aggressive one right up there, but I might just leave it like that. What's the orb saying? Oops. Let's have a look. The orb's probably still in that. The orb's going there. We could potentially look at that.
Wait, just the bottom of that candle.
Yeah, I'm going to do that. Yep. Yeah, there we go. All right. Done. Bit of mucking around, but we're there now.
Yeah.
That is it. Yep, that's it there. Boom. Let's go. Now we see what it wants to do. Get a breakout above there.
You said entry 3308.13.
Yeah. On the sell, 3308.14. Yeah. Same thing, yeah. And then yeah, we'll see how we go, man. Like I said, if we do get stopped out today, then we'll minimise the risk tomorrow. We might just be going through a bit of a phase, but we'll see how we go. See how we go.
hopefully goes where we want it to.
Hopefully, man. Hopefully, we just need that
Up,
push.
up would be good.
Up would be nice. Up would be really nice. I'd be very happy with that. Um, yesterday there wasn't enough volume. It was just very consolidating, so there wasn't too much volume happening yesterday.
Yeah.
Today as well, there doesn't seem to be too much volume either. But again, man, once the banks and institutions and that all put their orders in, hopefully we get a decent push. But we will see how we go.
You're so lucky.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Did you did you look at the open this morning? It didn't move. I had to leave. I had to take my daughter to school, but it didn't it opened a little bit later than usual, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. It was I wasn't able to get anything in when I wanted to, so I moved it a little bit and then I put it in. It went up to a 1 to 1, and then I hit close position, but it said stop loss invalid, so it didn't actually close the position, and then it went down and hit my stop loss, so I lost like $35 or something. It
Really?
didn't execute the market. Really weird.
It let you answer it though.
Yeah, it let me enter. And that's what I said. I was like, if it was invalid, wouldn't it let me enter the position?
Do you know what it said? Like what exactly it said?
Yeah, it just said invalid stop loss cannot execute market order. But I was already in it, so I don't know how it's
That's
invalid. I
odd,
sent
man.
an email, so I'll wait to hear back from them about that. But
Yeah.
it was pretty volatile, so I think maybe that this just shit itself.
Yeah, the order couldn't be filled. Yeah, that does happen, man. When it's like volatility or news events and stuff as well. Like I've heard a lot about people who trade news events where their stop loss doesn't get validated. Um, because it's was it on this candle here at all by any chance? Was it on that candle?
Nah, it was actually the first one.
Oh, okay,
First candle with the
where the gap is
yeah.
on here. What are you looking at for on TradingView? What are you looking at for the buy bit? Are you just looking at XAU USD?
So it's actually a good question. I had they told me to use was literally just contracts for CFDs on gold. I went in there and I went to put in the gold position calculator, but it was 20, so I think I have to adjust it because
Yeah,
it's
okay.
indexed differently or something. I've just been using pepper stones because it's pretty similar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then I was looking at yours, and it's like the pepperstone one's pretty similar to what you've got at Orlando.
Oh shit, what have I done? I don't even know what I've done then. Um, what did I do? This is the first time using TikTok Live. I don't even know what I done, what I pushed then. Hang on a sec. Oops, my bad. Anyway, yeah, sorry, man. What were you saying?
Yeah, so the one I'm using at the moment, pepperstone is pretty similar to what you've got there on Orlando. I think it's basically exactly the same. So I've just been using that for now, but
Okay.
the positions on this calculator's fixed and use the contracts for difference that they told me to use. But they're going to
Okay.
get their system indexed soon, I think, on TradingView.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, bro. I don't know what's going on here. Hang on, man. I have no idea what I've just done then on the TikTok thing. Sorry, bro. What were you saying?
No worries.
Um,
No, just yeah, they're going to get it indexed soon, so we can actually reference it directly on TradingView.
yeah. Okay. All right. Sweet. So, Sorry, bro. I was so distracted just then.
No stress.
Hey, hustle, mate. What's going on with that? What do I do?
I don't know, man. At least two pictures. They're school kids. We're gonna get them the fuck out of here.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, we're off. God damn. Hey, just Sam, just to give you an update of what happened. You there, man?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah. So right, we're doing a TikTok live, and someone like jumped on and was playing a game, and like I don't know what the hell was just happening then, dude. We're like playing a game against them or something. Yeah, yeah. We'll make sure that doesn't happen again.
Continue.
Yeah. Anyway, sorry, bro. Bit of a distraction.
Oh, that's fucking funny.
Damn it, now my phone's ringing. Anyway, this is good. Tethering issues, mate. Cool. Yeah, sweet, bro. Hopefully we get this push in like, hopefully get that 10:20, 10:30 push. That likes to happen sometimes. If we get that, happy days.
Are you holding for a 2-1 split?
Yeah, 1-1 on the buy bit, 2-1 on the 8 cap account because I'm just trialing I'm trialing to see what I'm gonna do for the challenge that I'm gonna do soon.
Yeah, nice.
To be honest with you, man, I even went back and backtracked a bit at looking at holding 5-1s because on a small account you kind of want to. It'd be good to be able to hold it a little bit longer because you want to build that account up pretty quick.
Yeah.
So yeah, if I don't do the 1 or 2, I'll just go straight for a 5. I'll skip a 3 to 4. Just go straight to the top. So see what happens.
Yeah, love that.
Yeah. So the last mentor I have, he was the one who was telling me that he's like, mate, just go 5-1s if that's all right. We're in. We are in. Hopefully this keeps pushing now. See how we go. Again, I never like entering on that candle. It's really frustrating when it does that. What level have we got here? That level there. Got that level. We need to close above that level there. This is I don't like this. Is sort of a level, but not really. Oh well, hopefully this next candle opens bullish and doesn't retrace too much if it is going to decide to continue up.
Fingers crossed, man.
Yep. See how we go. Troy hasn't been able to jump on. I spoke to him the other day. He's just got a bit on at the moment.
Yeah.
But he'll be back on in the next week or two, I think. Maybe 2 weeks. Let's go. 7 seconds for this to close. That is a strong bullish momentum candle. So hopefully we get a good push on this next one and not too much of a retracement. We do have this level here that it could retrace back to.
Yep.
This level right here. I'd be happy if it came and tapped that and continued up. But if it breaks below that level, then it's probably going to be a fake out. Yep. See what it does. What time is it now? 10:10. Okay. Nah, not looking good, man.
Is it?
Not looking good. Nah, we want that to just.
Boy.
The Bulls and Bears are fighting at the moment. They're going head to head.
Yeah, mate.
Come on, Bulls, let's go. Can the Bulls win? It's not looking promising.
It's not.
Doesn't matter. It is what it is, bro. If it does stop us out on this one, I'll be leaving this sell position open again, and then we can just come back to it tomorrow and see what happens. How that sell position played out. There's still a lot of liquidity below that, but there's just so many zones for it to retrace off down here. You know, you got that in, you got this imbalance here. It's just so many levels, man. Got that level there, that level there.
Not as clean as it has been the last few.
Nah, it hasn't been clean at all, to be honest with you. Nah, not at all. So there's a lot of levels there. It's going to be a bit of a hard to set and forget this one. It may be worth, if we do get stopped out here, it may be worth just to go for a break-even day, I reckon. If we set and forget that. Ideally, that doesn't happen, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Because there's nothing wrong with this. There's nothing wrong with this entry, man. That's a clean entry. That's a clean zone there. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with this entry. If we do get stopped out on that, it's an entry I'll take again. Just the markets, bro. It's just the markets. If there's no volume, not much volume, or see what happens. See what happens.
Hopefully.
Come on, work it out. Work it out. Break above here. Just need a nice break above there. That would be good. If this candle can, nah, it's not. I don't know. But if this candle can push up and at least just break above there, we should be okay. If not, let's see what happens. Mm-hmm. 50 seconds to these closes. Just push. Come on. Just push above it.
It's frustrating watching it.
Yeah. Just go up. Go up, man. Go up. Ten seconds. If we get a pullback on the next candle, I think it's going to be over for us. If the next candle pulls back, because there's no level for the bottom week. We really just need it to push and not create a bottom week. Let's go. Let's go. Keep pushing.
Get through that level.
Just break that level, man. Yeah, it does want to. You can tell. You can feel it. It wants to. Just do it. Just do it. Don't be scared. Just go. Just fucking go, man. What are you doing? Wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Oh, there we go. That's what we want. No? Okay, well, that's... For fuck's sake, why? Why do that? I'm just teasing, like, hey, is this what you want? Not today, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Jesus. Work it out. Work it out. What time is it now? Could have. Well, hopefully after the close of this candle, we get that 10-20 push, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, hopefully.
Boom. Keep on pushing. What do we got back here? That level there. That's not really like... I don't know, I'm not too stressed about this level for some reason. If we can break above that, if we can break above here and close on the next candle, we should be good, man. We should be good to at least there if it decides it wants to do that. If it decides it doesn't want to fake us out.
Yeah.
So here we go. So here we go. Close this off. Clean it up a bit. Keep pushing.
Keep going.
I do like this candle though if it doesn't retrace at all.
Yeah.
Come on, don't. There we go. Keep going. Don't stay still. Oh, you fucking motherfucker. Just tap it.
Nearly got it.
Yeah. So close. Well, the next 1 minute candle opens in 20 seconds. So, see how that opens. It's not looking too bad.
Oh, that tap that level exactly on that level.
Yep. Yep. It's not a strong level though, so I wouldn't expect the retracement off that. But we have got a pretty full on reaction off it, haven't we? Jeez.
Yeah.
Damn it. That's not good. That is not nice looking candle at all. Ugly. Ugly. I hate to say it, but that's like a perfect fake out candle.
Yeah.
I hope I'm wrong. I really hope I'm wrong. I really do hope I'm fucking wrong. But if we can push up and close above here, we need it to close above here, which it doesn't seem to want to do in 5 seconds. That's yeah. Nah, I don't like that at all, man. I think we're just relying on a miracle now for that to continue up. It'll be a bit of a miracle. The trading gods are definitely looking over us if that continues up, man.
Oh yeah.
10:20. All right, so this next 10 minutes is crucial. You know, it'd be nice. It'd be nice. You know, you get those, just that push, like that one 5 minute candle, like around this time, it just goes.
Bang.
It just goes fucking boom. That would be.
Straight
would
to
be-
the TP, right?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, not greedy, mate. Just hit a TP3. Happy days.
Yeah.
Nah, it does not want to at all, bro. Like it's tapped back into this zone now and hasn't. We needed to break that zone and close above it. But again, like I said, man, if this does stop us out, I'll definitely leave these sell positions open, even though I don't like all the levels that they got there. But fucking whatever. Whatever.
As a TP1, I think down there.
307, that one. Yep.
Yeah. So what was it? Yeah, that's it. 307.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah, fuck. There we go. Did that tap you? I'm still just in. I'll go slightly below, so I'm about there.
Yeah. Got me just then.
Did it? Fucker. That is a perfect fake out candle though. So
yeah, man.
I was expecting it once that candle closed. Yeah, bro, it's up to you if you want to leave that sell position open or not. This hasn't quite hit me. This hasn't hit me yet, but I'm pretty confident it's going. Yeah, there we go. Just got me. All good. So we'll leave that what it is. I'm going to leave this sell open now, bro. I'm not going to be greedy on the sell. I'm just going to go for a break even day. I'm going to try and just hit a TP1 and just call it a break even day. If we can.
That's what I'm going to do as well. So entry at 3308 and 3307.
Yeah, pretty much, man. Yeah. And look, if this does push up now, whatever, dude. Is what it is. There's no point in dwelling on that shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it did. It literally hit that exact level there. It's tapped that exact level, retraced, and it got us, unfortunately. But yeah, it's 2 red days, man. Well, depending how the sell position goes. But if we don't get this sell, it's 2 red days, which would tell me that we are in a losing streak. So if this position fails today, this sell position, tomorrow I'm minimizing my risk to barely anything. I'm just going to be trading just to keep trading, and then once we start getting momentum again, then I'll start putting my risk back up.
Yeah.
Maybe
go like 0.5%.
Yeah, definitely, bro. Yep, drop it to 0.5% tomorrow. If this fails, if this order doesn't, like this looks like it's going to be a real motherfucker and continue, but whatever. That's what happens.
Yeah.
This is when you start fucking up if you're like, oh shit, and trying to re-enter.
Yeah.
I don't do it, man, because if you do re-enter and it backfires on you, you're just chasing. You're just trying to chase your loss. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
So I don't do it. Bro. I just let it go. Now, if it tapped us out there and it hits a 5-1 now, fucking so be it, man. Is what it is. We've done everything right. We entered in the right zones. We've done everything fucking pretty good. So it's the name of the game, bro. That's it.
Yeah, correct.
It's the
fucking wins without loss.
Exactly, dude. Exactly. So, yep, I'm going to go for a 1-1 in the sell. I'll leave that open now, and that's it, bro. We'll come back tomorrow and do it again, like robots, mate. Just fucking
Good, mate.
back in and let's go again.
All right.
Oh, dude. See you tomorrow. See ya. Bye.
That's moving.
Bye.
So that's it. So that's another loss. So we took a loss. We took 2 losses yesterday and a loss this morning. It's a bit unfortunate because it does look like this is just going to keep pumping now. But this is what trading is. You take little losses where they might just tap you out, and then it continues up, and it's all a part of it. You just gotta, as long as you got your emotions under control. We've got our rules. We've got our system in place. We're not re-entering that now. We're going to let that go. Hopefully we do. Even if it does come back up and tap this zone here, we may get something. We may get something like that. If it does, hopefully we get a retracement and we can catch a sell. So I'll leave this sell position open now, and we come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day. You win some, you lose some.